Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how we can add rules on our subreddit. So go to More Tools and under Community Appearance go to Sidebar Widgets. And here you can change the colors of your widget. For now, I'm going to add my subreddit rules. Then to add a widget, just click on Add Widget. And here you have many options to select from. And what I'm interested in for now is adding rules. So select Rules. And click on Create Community Rules. It will open a new page where you will have two options: rules and removal reasons. Now click on Add Rule to add your subreddit rules. Here give your rule a name. And select one from the following options whether the rule will be applied to both posts and comments, or post only or comments only. And if you want, you can explain it a little bit more. Then click on Add New Rule to add it to the list. And here you can see that your first rule has been added successfully. And if you want to add more, you sure can add up to 15 rules. Now go to your subreddit main page and either refresh your page or click on Create Post. And here you can see that your subreddit rules have been added. And if you want to edit them, either you can go to the Sidebar Widgets and select Subreddit Rules, or you can edit them by going to Rules and Removal Reasons. Here, just click on the pencil icon of the rule you want to edit and save it after making your changes. And here you can see that the changes have been applied. And this is how we can add rules on our subreddit. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.